I had a friend come over and she brought me a present. And I didn't expect that, so I gave another friend's present to her. And now I have to quickly make that friend a new present. So yesterday I saw Izzy from Izzy Quilts, showing plate holders. So I have these vintage crocheted cotton squares. I never knew what to do with it. And then I thought that's actually a brilliant plan. So that is going to go over there. And then another one will go there. And then you just put your hands in and you can hold plates when they're hot. All of them have been overlocked. And now I'm going to fold them in and pin them onto the crocheted pieces. These two rectangular ones, and I turned them into pot holders. So you put your hands like that, and then you can grab the pot when it's hot. And this is nice and thick cotton, so you won't burn. My friend's getting 2 pot holders and 4 plate holders. The plate holders is like that, and you just go and hold the hot plate. And the last step is to iron them all nice and flat. For the back, I used an old duvet cover, and it's percale, so it's also 100% cotton. And I'm really pleased with this gift. Recycling, I think it's just an awesome way of using things. Another thing I've done this year is I'm trying not to use sellotape, because sellotape can actually be quite detrimental to the environment. And I had these pipe cleaners that I've been saving for I don't know what. Okay, that piece is too small. Let me get some brown paper. I have a box full of this paper. It came in my Christmas present box, and I'm just going to iron it now. So this year, between inflation, petrol going up every month, my bond going up every month, food going up every month, there just wasn't extra finances. So I've decided I am still going to do Christmas and still going to make it special for all my friends. And I usually am quite frugal, but this year I literally went all the way. The only thing that I did buy was a chocolate. I bought my one friend a chocolate with a gift. And that's it. Everything else is handmade. And I wrapped in things that I had. It's actually been so much fun. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a beautiful new year. Let's go and give it to her.